What's up, guys? It's Spin for Breakfast, back with another review. Today we are checking out another MRE. This is menu number 2, beef shredded in barbecue sauce. I think we've had this before.
I think so.
But we have not reviewed it. So we're going to take a look at all these components and see what's in there and try it out.
Try it out. Let's do it. Should I use this for the coffee?
Another MRE with no bag.
Oh yeah. Huh. Here's our shredded beef. Oatmeal cookie. Accessory packet, which we'll look at later. Trusty spoon. Black beans in sauce. Beverage base powder orange. Hot beverage bag. Flameless ration heater. Nutrition card for the shredded beef in sauce. Quite a few ingredients on there. Not as many as I would maybe expect, actually. Same with the black beans. And the nutrition facts. Tortillas, plain. Oh yeah, cheese spread with jalapenos. Nice. Here's the accessory packet. Bell's Brew freeze-dried coffee. Toilet paper. Salt. Moist towelette. Splenda? Yeah, enjoy, so. Non-dairy creamer, and your after dinner mint or gum. Hot.
Dude, that looks like fucking shit.
Well, I can't say the entree looks very appetizing.
No, the beans I guess look like beans, but you know.
Mm-hmm. Let me try out this coffee first. Looks and smells pretty good. Seems pretty typical.
Pretty standard.
Yeah. It's very watery. Has a faint coffee flavor.
More like hinting at coffee than actually coffee.
Yeah. It tastes very much like instant coffee, but
Oh, yeah.
better than nothing, I guess, if you're craving some coffee.
Exactly. We got this orange beverage base as well.
Typically a fan of orange.
Mm-hmm. Kind of tastes like Tang.
Smells like Tang. Yeah, it's actually not too sweet, which I like.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't taste like overly sugary or like generic chemically. Well, this cheese spread, the only thing you can really add it to are these tortillas, or I guess your entree or beans, but typically they come with like a cracker or something.
Right. I think this is just meant as a condiment
Yeah.
for this one.
Why don't we just save that, and you want to try the beans and
Yeah, let's
the
try out the
entree
beans
first.
here. They smell good. They smell sweet, but they smell good.
They smell like they're filled with taco seasoning.
Mm.
They're good.
Yeah, they're more firm than I would have expected.
Yeah, the texture is nice.
Mm-hmm.
The sauce is kind of thick. Lots of cumin in there, I would say.
Mm.
Pretty good overall.
Good,
Yeah, not really any complaints. It's kind of just like a can of beans,
Mm-hmm.
honestly.
Can't go wrong there.
There's not a lot of components to this.
Mm-mm.
Entree, beans, and a cookie, and your drinks.
Right.
I feel like there's usually a little more.
This looks a lot more like a beef puree than it does shredded beef.
Yeah, it's just mush.
It smells really sweet too. It smells like a fake barbecue.
You can't really distinguish like the sauce from the meat either. It's just kind of
No, it's a puree.
yeah. Let's give it a shot. Okay. You actually get beef strips in the bites, which is good. The beef is tender.
Mm-hmm.
The sauce is way too sweet for my taste.
Yeah, it's sweet, but it's like a like a cheap broad appeal, like
Yeah.
barbecue.
Right. Yeah, it's a cheap barbecue flavor.
Yeah.
Honestly, it looks a lot worse than it tastes.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
I guess the next step would be to load up a tortilla. I'm gonna add both beans and beef into mine.
I think I'm gonna do beans, beef, and some Jala cheddar or cheese spread.
Yeah, good call. These are not the the most stable tortillas ever, as you could imagine.
Right.
So I'm gonna not load this up too heavily.
Oh my god. Let me squirt a line in here real quick.
That was a lot of cheese.
Maybe I like the cheese. I'm just gonna use it sort of as like a base layer here. Yeah, see what I'm doing?
Yeah, man. If I can get some out of here.
Sorry, man. Alright, beans next. Sorry, I didn't realize I used so much cheese.
Okay, I got enough for my taco.
That's good.
Yeah. Without further ado, this the tortilla itself is obviously very flat, but I
It's
kind of
weird.
like it. I kind of like how flat it is. I'm gonna try to eat this over the plate.
Yeah, I think this is gonna be a little messy.
Get my hair out of my eyes.
Tortillas are pre-torn.
Yeah.
Mine's already splitting open.
Yeah, you really can't load these up too heavily.
Right, let's do it.
Yeah, why don't you go first and.
Good. I liked that actually a lot. Pretty salty, in my opinion, but
This is weird because this palette is right up my alley, but I think it's like too mushy. It's kind of grossing me out.
that's fair.
Like it's like just too. I need some more texture.
Yeah, it's
happening.
one texture.
I
it's
wish
one
you had some
consistency.
like some Fritos you could crush up into these and make it a little crunchier somehow, or I don't know.
Even just the cracker.
Yeah, or even just a cracker. The cheese tastes good. All the components taste good. It's just for me, when they're combined, I'm not loving how soft everything is. But as far as flavor goes, it's pretty good. I'm surprised. I thought I would like this one more, but it's just kind of throwing me off.
Yeah, I think the taste is good, but you are right. It's a puree. It's baby food. I mean,
Yeah.
you don't need teeth for this for sure.
I think, honestly, my favorite component so far is the beans.
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah, they have a really nice flavor. These cookies are notoriously very hard.
Now they're covered in beans.
Now they're covered in beans. That's okay. Still got that top part we can break off. I've always been a fan of the oatmeal cookie in these MREs. They're super crunchy. You can taste a lot of the cinnamon in there, and they go great in the coffee as well.
I gotta get a dipperooski here as well.
Yeah, dipped in coffee, it tastes like a nice coffee cake cookie. You know, really good. Kind of a messy one because the cookie really crumbles. Everything else is very soft, mushy, saucy. We already used our moist towelette.
Yep.
And
Time for our after dinner mint.
yeah, finished it off.
Right here.
There we go. Little palate cleanser. Just
That's exactly what it does.
mint. A mint piece of gum. Overall, not my favorite MRE. I was excited because like all the flavors I'm a fan of, like this, all the spices, cumin, garlic, onion powder, I'm sure whatever else is in here. That's usually what I gravitate towards, but For some reason, it just wasn't hitting the spot today for me.
Yeah, I thought it tasted fine, not fantastic, but I think it's just generic barbecue.
Mm-hmm.
But the texture thing is really more what bothers me. Is I wish I had just a cracker or something.
Yeah.
Something.
I mean, even just more definitive chunks of beef and
That
a
too.
little less sauce.
Yeah.
I think that could even go a long way.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, there you have it. This is our review of beef shredded in barbecue sauce, I believe it was called.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends and family, and let us know in the comments if there's another MRE that you like better. Have you
had
tried this one? Or just comment your thoughts,
Tell
opinions.
us how your day was.
Tell us how's life.
Yeah.
Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you at the next review.
See you next time.
How long do you want to wait?
Couple minutes.
Richard.
Oh, you're such a baby.
He doesn't like the disrespect.
He's so full of shit, though. He's such a problem with. He's gonna sit down right there.
Get his butt scratched.
Yeah.
He loves it.
He does. What are you doing? Goofball? What are you doing?